Hey friend, welcome to English with Nate. In this video, we're going to answer two important questions. What does the word hanger mean? And how do we pronounce the word hanger? Thanks for stopping by. Let's jump right in. The word hanger is a noun, and it means a storage place similar to a garage, but specifically for an airplane. Let me repeat that one more time. The word hanger is a noun, and it means storage place, kind of like a garage, but specifically for a place to store an airplane. Hey, let's check out some example sentences so we can better understand the meaning of the word hanger. Example number 1. The aircraft hangar was filled with high-tech planes built for the government. The aircraft hangar was filled with high-tech planes built for the government. Example number 2. This aircraft hangar can be rented to store privately owned planes. This aircraft hangar can be rented to store privately owned planes. We want to know what a word means, but we also want to know how to pronounce the word. So check out the bottom of this screen to see how many syllables are in the word hanger and how to pronounce the word. I'm going to say the word 3 times. After each time I say the word, repeat after me. Hanger. 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 Hey, great job, friend. If you need to keep practicing pronouncing the word hanger, repeat this section as many times as you need. Did you like today's video? Did you learn a new word? If so, click the like button and check out these recommended videos so we can keep practicing English together. Thanks for stopping by, friends. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.